Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Have you seen boxes like this in your store? I found this one at the Dollar Tree. Wait until you see what I do with it. Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here today. I really do appreciate all of your support. Y'all, you can find boxes like this at the Dollar Tree, but if you don't have a Dollar Tree, your discount store might have boxes like this as well. If you're in the U.S., Hobby Lobby and Michael's, they both have boxes like this. And this box has a magnetic flip-top closure, which I absolutely love. Y'all know that we build a lot of boxes on the channel, so there's absolutely nothing wrong with this box. The bones of the box are great. I just want the box to be a little bit different. So we're going to do an amazing box transformation using this. It is a very easy process, won't take long, and will not take very many supplies. So here is what I'm talking about. These boxes are meant to be nesting boxes. They come in 3 sizes: large, medium, and small. So this large one is about 5.5 inches, this one is 4.5 inches, and this one is 3.5 inches. So these are some nice size boxes. Usually the Dollar Tree will have these out based on the season that we're celebrating. So these were out for Valentine's Day. You can find them for Christmas, you can find them for autumn, you can find them for a whole bunch of different seasons. But if you don't have a Dollar Tree, all is not lost, because I'm pretty sure you have come across boxes like this in your shopping experiences. So what I decided to do was I like the box, I like the bones of the box, I like the structure of the box, but I want to turn mine into these little craft cubbies so that you can set them out strategic places in your craft room, or you can set them out in your home or your office. These are multifunctional. So just because I'm using them for crafting supplies or crafting items does not mean that you have to. So I'm going to flip to the overhead camera so that you can get a closer look at these. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at the 2 that I have already made. They are just so adorable. They are so easy to do, and y'all know how we do it on the channel. We like pretty, but we like functional. And these are truly functional, multifunctional, because you can use them for all types of different reasons. So here is the one that we're going to be working with today. It's going to be the larger one, and I am going to show you right now how easy it is to do this. So the first thing that we need to do is open it, and we're going to just remove the back like this. Very easy. Then I'm just going to go in and remove the adhesive strips. It looks like it might have been hot glue of some type. I am just removing those, and they are coming up very, very easily. So I think I have them all. I do. So now that we have it like this, y'all, we are going to take some tape, and we are going to place that tape on the right above the folds. So this is how it folds, and you'll have that fold mark right here. So we're just basically going to take that tape, and you see how I put it down right there so that it's not hitting the fold. And then I'll just go all the way to the top, tear that off, and do the other side. Then I'm going to take a piece and put it right there in the middle. Then I'm going to bring in my decorative piece. I ran out of this paper, so I decided to stay in the same family, and we are going to take it and place it down like this. So I am going to remove the tape backers. We're going to take this piece we're going to place it down like this, getting it nice and stuck. I'll use my big old spatula to go in and make sure I have a good stick. Then I'll flip it over, and what we're going to do is we're simply going to follow this shape like this, and then we'll cut this way. And so now I'm just going to take my stylus and go along the edges and fold over. So now I'm just going to fold over these pieces to get this shape here. So when I fold here, I'll pinch there and fold that over to get that point. And then here on these ends, we'll fold over. And all I'm going to do is I am going to miter, so you can see, hopefully, where when I fold it over, I have the intersection this way and this way. I can just take this and we are going to cut like this. And like this. So now I'm going to take my glue and I'm just going to put some glue along the sides and we will fold over. So we'll go ahead and just fold that over, getting it nice and stuck. You might have to go over it a few times because there's a coating on the box. So I really had to press down. We'll do the same thing over here. And now we'll take this piece, place it down to the point, and then at the point we just take it and it's going to want to fold over, and you just let that fold happen, but you need to put a little bit of glue underneath the fold so that that will stick. So now you have a nice back like this, but we want to make the back a little bit firmer, and we are going to do that using chipboard. Or you can use a cereal box or shoe box. Someone told me yesterday that they buy Teddy Grahams, I believe it was, in bulk, and those bulk boxes are very sturdy, so that is what they use. Great idea. Just use what you have. So I am just going to trace around this like this. And then I'm going to bring in my ruler and I am going to go inside that trace mark about 1/16 of an inch. And you'll get a chance to trim more off if you need to. I'm starting off by trimming off less than I know I need to trim off, but I'll go back and trim some more if I find that I need to. And here's our piece. So y'all, we take that piece and we're going to put it on the back like this. And you want to make sure that it's not too big. And I can see that mine is too big. So all I'm going to do is trim a little bit here. And I'm going to remove just a little bit from here. So then we'll try it one more time by putting it on like that. And I think that I have a good enough fit. So we're going to go with that. So I'm going to bring in another piece of this paper. And I am just going to use my glue. Now ordinarily I wouldn't use glue on a large piece like this, but we are backing it to even more chipboard that's already on here. So I'm not concerned about warping. So we're going to put this down like this. Just go ahead and get everything nice and stuck. Then I will trim away some of this. And then again, we just follow the shape. So now I'll stand it up and train my paper to fold over. And all I'm doing now is just making sure I have really good corner creases so that we can miter. And I think you can see my lines right there. That's where I'll be cutting. And those lines come from doing those foldovers. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just going in on the corners and following the creases that were created. So now I'm just going to take some glue and we'll get this stuck. Do the same thing here. Get this nice and stuck. And we just do this on those three sides. And then when we get to this point, we're going to add some glue right here and right there. When you fold over until you get to the point and go ahead and crease like that. Add a little bit of glue right there at that crease point and fold over. That helps the point to stay down. And there we have a nice back to this. And we can take this and now we can put it on the back just like that. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and just take my glue, place it here, fold up until that catches, and now I'll take this piece and we'll put it on the back. So I am just going to make sure that I am adding glue close to the end. And then I'm just going to make sure I have plenty of glue here in the middle. We're going to take this piece, put it on like that. And now I can lay it down and we can get it nice and stuck. So I am going to take some of my clips, put a clip there, put a clip right here, and put a clip here and here to hold this in place while it dries. So I'm going to give it about 15 minutes to dry and then I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so it's been about 15 minutes and I think we can take our clips off. And the clips that I used are also from the Dollar Tree, and the sticker that I'm about to use is also from the Dollar Tree. So you get, I think it's 6 stickers in this pack from Crafter's Square. And I think I want to use the one that says, my hands are so cruddy from the glue, you can probably see it. I am going to use the one that says, let's see if I can get it on here straight, do more things with love. I think that that is just so sweet. And I like that the stickers are transparent so that you're able to lay them down and get nothing but the words. So there is our box. When finished, it is about 5.5 by 5 by 3.5. So that is a pretty good sized box. So 5.5 by 5 by 3.5. This one is 3.5 by 2.5 by 3. And this one is 4.5 by 4 by 3. So all of these are very nice little boxes. And you see how we transform them from what they used to be into this. So here are those sweet little boxes. I chose to go ahead and keep the front of the box that already existed. But if I had wanted to, I could have covered this with paper and completely changed it to the color scheme that I wanted. But I decided to just play off of the beautiful rose paper that was already on it and just add some background paper to it. But I think that these turned out absolutely beautifully, and they were so easy. Large, medium, small. Pick one or pick all. Either way, I hope that you have enjoyed today's really awesome way to take a pre-existing Dollar Tree box and turn it into a beautiful caddy, holder, accessory, whatever it is you want to do with it in your craft room, your home, or your office. However you want to use it, I think you're going to have fun. So if you have enjoyed this video, and y'all, I certainly hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.